हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम। कैसे हैं आप सब? सो गाइस, आज हम करने वाले हैं पार्ट नंबर 17। जो बच्चे सैनिक स्कूल, आरएमएस या कोई भी स्कूल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो ये क्लास आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो सभी बच्चे ध्यान से देखेंगे। शुरू करते हैं सेशन को। सबसे पहले बता दूं कि जो बच्चे फर्स्ट टाइम इस चैनल पे आ रहे हैं सब्सक्राइब कर लें, और जो बच्चे कोचिंग लेना चाहते हैं तो लाइव क्लासेस चल रही है। न्यू बैच स्टार्ट हुआ है, अभी 2 मंथ्स का क्रैश कोर्स अवेलेबल है। उस क्रैश कोर्स को अगर आप ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो आप इन नंबर्स पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। आप अपने घर पे स्टडी किट भी मंगवा सकते हैं। हमारे हैंड रिटन नोट्स, बुक्स एंड प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर, वो सब कुछ हमारे पास में अवेलेबल है, तो आप स्टडी किट भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं। So hi guys, this is Ajay Sharma and we are going to start our session, and today's very first question is this one. An ink is dash useful article. An ink is dash useful article. An ink is dash useful article. An, a or the या no article. So the right answer is a useful article. An ink is a useful article. An ink is a useful article. ओके। य से यहाँ से कॉन्सोनेंट की जो साउंड है इससे बनता है ए। यहाँ पे लगेगा आर्टिकल ए। तो एन इंक इज अ यूजफुल आर्टिकल। नेक्स्ट, ही इज लर्निंग डैश फ्रेंच। ही इज लर्निंग अ फ्रेंच, एन फ्रेंच, द फ्रेंच और नो आर्टिकल। ही इज लर्निंग फ्रेंच। वेरी गुड, हरी अप, अपना आंसर बताएं कमेंट करके। सो द राइट आंसर इज नो आर्टिकल बिकॉज इट्स अ नेम ऑफ लैंग्वेज। तो बच्चों ध्यान रखें, जब भी किसी लैंग्वेज का नेम आए, इफ देर इज अ नेम ऑफ एनी लैंग्वेज, देन कीप इन माइंड दैट we will omit the article, we will omit the use of article, we cannot use article in that case. Okay, like French, if I say English, if I am talking about language, then I cannot put the with it or any other article. But if I say the English, it means native of England. Native of England, अंग्रेज जिसको बोला जाता है, नेटिव ऑफ इंग्लैंड यू कैन से। नेटिव ऑफ इंग्लैंड। ही इज लर्निंग डैश फ्रेंच। ही इज लर्निंग डैश फ्रेंच, तो क्या आएगा? नो आर्टिकल। गॉट इट? नेक्स्ट, ही इज सो वीक डैश ही कैन नॉट वॉक। ही इज सो वीक डैश ही कैन नॉट वॉक। सो फिल इन द ब्लैंक विथ प्रॉपर कंजंक्शन। आपको इसमें कंजंक्शन का यूज करना है। फिल कंजंक्शन का कौन सा पार्ट यहाँ पे फिल होगा? बट, दैट, देन या सो। The right answer is that. He is so weak that he cannot walk. He is so weak that he cannot walk. वो इतना कमजोर है कि चल भी नहीं सकता। तो so और that का पेयर है। So there is a pair of so and that. Okay guys, if you want to join the live classes guys, अगर आप सैनिक स्कूल के लिए कंप्लीट कोर्स करना चाहते हैं, then there is a crash course available. If you want to complete, you want to do a complete crash course on Sainik School RMS exam, then that is available. The fees is 7,000 rupees for all the subjects. The classes will be live, and you can contact on this contact number, and you can also do WhatsApp message on this number to know more about this course. Okay, so seats are very limited. You can book your seat now for all the subjects like English, maths, reasoning, GK, science. Okay, current affair, GK, reasoning. For all the subjects, the fees is only 7,000 rupees. Okay, for the crash course. If you want to order the study kit, we also have the study kit. These are the books in the study kit. The 10 books kit is only at the rate rupees 4,500. It will be delivered to your courier address, to your home address, and the 12 books kit is at the rate rupees 5,000 including courier charges. that will be delivered to your home. Okay, you can call in this number to know more, or you can WhatsApp, or directly you can do the payment and then can send the screenshot on the this number, and then send your courier address. Your books will be delivered to your courier address. Okay, so guys, this is the contact number, and this is the number for Google Pay, Bheem, UPI, or Paytm, Phone Pay, whatsoever you are using. You can also do a bank transfer on this account number and then send a screenshot on this WhatsApp number. Your books will be delivered to your home. Okay guys, so जैसा कि अभी अभी हम क्वेश्चंस कर रहे थे, उससे आगे बढ़ लेते हैं. वी हैव डन अप टू 3 क्वेश्चंस, एंड देयर इज अ पेयर ऑफ सो एंड दैट. ही इज सो वीक दैट ही कैन नॉट वॉक. वो इतना वीक है कि वो चल भी नहीं सकता. वेट हेयर डैश आई कम बैक. वेट हेयर टिल until before or after. Wait here till until before or after. What should be the right answer here? Wait here till I come back. Wait here till I come back. Wait here till I come back. Okay, so till denotes the point. Wait करो जब तक मैं आ नहीं जाता. Wait here till I come back. For any particular point of time or specific time, you can use till. Next is a lorry bumped dash a car. A lorry bumped dash a car on, over, into, or to. A lorry bumped dash a car on, over, into, or to. What should be the right answer over here? You are to fill the preposition. So the right answer is bumped into. मतलब कोई चीज जब किसी चीज के अंदर टकरा जाती है ना, तो उसको बोला जाता है bump into होना. Okay. So guys, one more important information for you, and really very good news for you all guys. So we are going to start a new batch that is on vocabulary. Most of the students were facing the problem in the vocabulary. So now with this vocabulary course, you can boost up your vocabulary and you will be able to crack the exam, and you will be able to boost your score in English section. Okay, so if you want to join this vocabulary course, I'll explain all the things. This course is for the Sainik School, All India Sainik School entrance exam, military school, CET, and Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya School. So this course will be helpful for the students who are preparing for Sainik School, military school, UP Sainik School, Kitur Rani Sainik School, RIMC, JNV, VST, Gurukul Kurukshetra, Gurukul Nilokheri, and Ramakrishnan Mission School, Central Hindu School, Oak Grover Schools. ज़्यादा जानकारी के लिए आप इस नंबर पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. और अगर आप इनमें से किसी भी एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, देन इट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर यू गाइज. बट इफ़ यू आर ओनली वांट टू इम्प्रूव योर जनरल वोकेबलरी, देन यू कैन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन दिस कोर्स. मीन्स अगर आपको कोई एग्जाम नहीं देना है, फिर भी आप अपनी वोकेबलरी को अच्छा करना चाहते हैं, देन यू कैन ज्वाइन दिस कोर्स. आपकी जनरल वोकेबलरी बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी इस कोर्स के बाद में, क्योंकि इसमें रूट वोकेबलरी और ऐसी बहुत सारी टेक्निक्स हैं जिसके थ्रू आपको पढ़ाया जाएगा. ओके, अबाउट दिस कोर्स, for the registration, you are to just pay 599 on this number through Google Pay, Phone Pay, Bheem, Paytm. You can do, and then send a screenshot, and then send a screenshot on this number, and send your detail: name, father's name, date of birth, name, DOB, father's name, and class on this number. Okay, I think you got it guys. This class will be from Monday to Friday. This batch will start on 15th of December and will go up to 5th of January 2021. The timing will be 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. This is special advanced vocabulary course. You can join this course. So what will be the overview? Unlimited number of MCQs will be covered, logical questions of vocabulary will be covered, and there will be a smart trick solution and elimination technique for the vocabulary, so that you can do the question correctly in the exam. You can attempt the question correctly. Okay, we will teach you how to eliminate the options, and this full course is completely based on maximum number of question and in short period of time. Okay, कम समय में सबसे ज़्यादा vocabulary करने का सबसे आसान तरीका. Most important parts of English vocabulary will be covered in this course. Basic concept will be teach of the vocabulary, then we will do some MCQs based on it, and then we'll do advanced level of MCQs and the previous year of vocabulary. Okay, so the syllabus of this course will be one word substitution, idiom and phrases, root vocabulary, synonyms, antonyms, correctly spelled, wrongly spelled, homophones, and general vocabulary. General vocabulary almost include each and everything of vocabulary. Okay, so these are the contents, guys, and this course there will be 15 classes and one quiz, mega quiz in this. Okay, so, what is the course plan? Each and every chapter contains the MCQs from basic to advanced level, MCQs and the previous year paper, MCQs and the previous year questions. Okay, and it is useful for the students who are preparing for All India Sainik School entrance exam, RMS, UP Sainik School, JNV, ST, yani Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya School, Gurukul, RIMC. Okay, so what will be the basic? We will do some basics in 10 minutes, and approximately MCQs for the last few minutes of the session, and mix MCQs. Okay, the class will be interactive, like if you have any doubt you can ask in the live class. You can ask your doubts. Your doubts will be resolved on the spot on the sport doubt clearing session and discussion forum. If you have any doubt you can send to us, we will help you out to solve that question. And there will be a MCQ session and the mega quiz at the end of the session. Like there will be a mega quiz after the end of this complete course. Okay, so thank you. You can register in this course, guys, and for registration you are to do Google Pay, Phone Pay on this number and send a screenshot on this number. The payment is only 599 rupees. Okay, you can enroll in this vocabulary course. So we were doing some questions. Now we will continue with these questions. Okay, take a screenshot of it and put on your status and do enroll in this course also. Okay, so let's move to the next question, guys. Hurry up. What should be the right answer for this question? What should be the right answer for this question? She always boasts dash her wealth. Try. Very good. Hurry up. She always boasts of her wealth. Okay. She always boast of her wealth. बोस्ट ऑफ समथिंग का मतलब होता है किसी चीज के बारे में डींगे हाँकना, बड़ी बड़ी बातें फेंकना. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. अलावेंस ड्यू टू अ वाइफ फ्रॉम हर हस्बैंड ऑन लीगल सेपरेशन means on the uh, when they are having the divorce, on that case they use some allowance. They pay some allowance to their wife. So what should be the answer for that? What those allowances are known as? Hurry up, very good, answer this question. Alimony is the right answer. That means कर्ज, money to be paid. Okay. What is wage? Dihadi. It means pay. Compensation is also somewhat paid. So here alimony is the right answer. Next, an insect with many legs. Hurry up, try to answer the question, guys. Very good. So the right answer is centipede. Biped means two. Here we are talking about many. So centi for many. Okay. And butterfly means butterfly. So this cannot be the answer, guys. And the next is quadruped. Quadruped. Quadruped means something you can say having four. Wherever you see quad, it denotes four, number four. And what will be the meaning of quadrupt? What should be the meaning of quadrupt? Have you heard about this? Yes, this is very simple, guys. As I told you, you can do through the roots. By means two. Okay. By means two. And try means three. And quad means four. Quad means four. Quadrupt means 4 feet. Okay, like animals which has 4 feet. Next, do you like tea? Find the question tag of it. What will be the question tag? Do you, don't you, did you, or are you? So here you can see do you. Do you like tea? So here do you is already given. We will write do and then we'll make it negative. So it will become don't. What is the subject? You. So don't you will be the right answer. So the right answer is option number B. Very good. Is it going to rain? Is it, isn't it, was it, or wasn't it? So the right answer is isn't it? Because you have to just check the verb and make the negative of it if the sentence given is positive. So isn't it? Because it is the subject, so isn't it is the right answer. Dash were grazing in the field. Cow, sheep, dogs, or sheeps. Sheep is the right answer. Sheep were grazing in the field. So guys, if you want to join the crash course for any coaching inquiry, you can contact on this number. Even if your child is in the 4th class or 3rd class, then you can enroll in our batches from now onward. Okay, अभी जनवरी में बैचेस शुरू होने वाले हैं. जो बच्चे अभी 4th में हैं, 3rd में हैं, तो वो भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. बट अभी जिनको क्रैश कोर्स करना है वो इस नंबर पे कांटेक्ट करें और अपनी कोचिंग, क्रैश कोर्स और स्टडी किट और टेस्ट सीरीज की जानकारी आप ले सकते हैं. और अपनी स्टडी किट को अभी बुक पढ़ें क्योंकि अभी हमारे पास टाइम है. वी कैन डू इन 2 months. Okay, good. Because dogs cannot do grazing and sheep cannot be written plural. Cow takes watch here. So the right answer is sheep. Sheep can be singular as well as plural in the same spelling. Okay. Next, Reena has to call dash friend in the school. Reena has to call his friend, its friend, or their friend, or her friend. So Reena is the name of a girl. So the right answer will be her friend. Reena has to call her friend in the school. Okay, because Reena is a girl and we will write her for it. The teacher saw the students shouting in the class, so he punished them, him, me, or us. What will be the correct pronoun? The teacher saw the students. So here we are talking about the students, number of students. What will be the suitable pronoun? For many students, we can use them. So them is the right answer. Everybody dash watch this movie. Was, is, has or have. Very good. Try करें शाबाश. Everybody. The right answer is has. So here you can see this is the verb third form with the words like everybody or the words containing with every, everyone, everything, and the word something. Okay, someone, everyone, sorry, somebody, and no, nothing, no one, nobody, and the word containing any, anything, anyone, or anybody. Okay, if you see all these words, any of the above word, these all these will take verb singular. They always take singular verb. They always take singular verb. That's why we are putting everybody has, not have. Okay, everybody has watched, and third form comes with has have. Okay, next question is this one. Try. Very good. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ट्राई करेंगे सभी बच्चे. The brave soldier dashed to die for his country. Want, wants, wanted, or wanting. Hurry up. सभी बच्चे ट्राई करेंगे शाबाश. हरी अप. The brave soldier dashed to die for his country. Wants, because brave soldier verb singular. Okay, because brave soldier here denotes particular brave soldier. So verb singular will come here. His dog dashed bark at the stranger. His Dog dash bark at the stranger is not, has not, was not, does not. So we are talking about any general action. For any general action we use present indefinite, and present indefinite structure is does not. Do plus do or does plus not, या फिर do does not plus for a first form. So this is the that structure. So his dog does not bark at the stranger. Arun is the dash boy of our class. Tall, taller, more tall, or tallest. Arun is the dash boy of our class. So the right answer is tallest, because we have been given a article the. So here we will put superlative degree, and we are talking about in the whole class. So tallest boy, सबसे लंबा लड़का है. This story is dash than that. Interesting, more interesting, interested, or interest. This story is interesting, more interesting, interested, or interest. Very good. Try it out. So the right answer is more interesting. The story is more interesting than that. Story उससे ज़्यादा interesting है. Okay, guys. So that's all in this session, guys. We will see you in the next class, and we will learn some more concept. Just tell me what is your score out of 18. Some more questions are left that we will cover in the next classes, and of the last two papers we have not done the passages. We will also do the passage in the next class. If you want to order the study kit, you can order at the rate rupees 4500 rupees, and then send a screenshot after payment. You can do payment on this number and then send a screenshot on this number. Okay. And send your courier address. Your books will be delivered. And as I told you guys, our new batch is going to start from 15th of December. You can join this batch only at the rate rupees 599, जिसकी क्लास 2 से 2:30 बजे रहेगी. 15 दिसंबर से 5 जनवरी तक ये कोर्स चलेगा. ओके. पेमेंट करके इस नंबर पे स्क्रीनशॉट सेंड करना है, एंड यू विल बी एनरोल्ड इन दिस पेड बैच. See you in the next class, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.